In this video, I'll show you how I made this modified waterfall feature for my most recent journal. Use cardstock weight paper. Measure the brown piece so it includes approximately a 1/8 inch border around your image, plus an additional 1/2 inch at the top. My witch image measures 2 3/4 inches wide by 3 1/2 inches tall. The brown piece measures 3 inches wide by 4 1/4 inches tall. Score and fold at the 1/2 inch mark. Only add glue to the top and bottom of your images so that we can later insert some journaling cards. It's better if you add all your embellishments to your images at this point before we continue on to the next step. Make certain to embellish the back side of your images upside down. Otherwise, they won't be right side up when we finish the project. My background piece measures 4 1/2 inches wide by 7 1/2 inches tall. We're ready to cut the slots for our images to our background. Flip your background over and draw a grid. Here you can see I'm going to be placing my images approximately 1 inch apart, and I've included an extra 3/4 of an inch on either side of the card as a border. Cut only between the 3/4 inch marks. Taper the corners of your images for easier insertion into the slots. Glue the image tabs to your background. Glue your background with images attached to your journal page. My journal page measures 5 1/2 inches wide by 8 1/2 inches tall. If desired, add additional writing spots to your page. Here are the 2 modified waterfalls that I made for this journal. I'm showing you the little journaling cards that I also created that can now be inserted in between your image and the cardstock that was used. I hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck!